What's up guys, and it's mystery Samsung phone time. Samsung is preparing some mystery smartphones under the wraps. One of them is a Galaxy Note 10 Lite and the other one could be a Galaxy S10 Lite. We don't have any visual leaks regarding the Note 10 Lite, but for the S10 Lite, we might actually have our first design look via Samsung patent. This is going to be a one-of-a-kind phone that could actually very well be coming in the early 2020. So out comes the patent filed by Samsung on United States Patent Trademark Office, showing off a kind of a weird combo of a current generation Galaxy flagship, the S10 Plus, and the last year's flagship, the S9 Plus. So if you notice the front, it's from the S10 Plus. We have the 00 OLED hole punch design, meaning two cameras up front. We've got the earpiece as well, very similar to how a Galaxy S10 Plus look from the front. Switching to the back, this is where it looks like the Galaxy S9 Plus. We've got dual cameras. Most likely the setup will be similar to S10e, meaning ultra wide angle lens and a wide angle lens. The whole design just looks so much similar to the Galaxy S lineup, which is why this is linked to the mystery strange Galaxy device, aka S10 Lite, based on the code name and now the patent. This has so many similarities with the Galaxy S lineup, so it could actually be called as S10 Lite, or it might be called as S11 Lite, we don't know. We also got the battery certification for this particular model number, so it's set to rock a 4370 mAh battery. That's actually even bigger than the battery on the Note 10 Plus. It's so crazy to see that. Obviously it's going to be a huge phone. The display is rumored to be 6.7 inches, Snapdragon 855 and 45 hours of fast charging, all that good stuff. Again, this is for the first time we're seeing this kind of a hybrid patent design between a last year's flagship and a current flagship. I really want to see this device coming to the market. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, Samsung has pushed another One UI 2.0 beta, which could very well be the final beta update for the S10 family. It fixes a lot of bugs. So with this new beta, Samsung has closed the beta program in South Korea, which signals that the official update is right around the corner. I'm actually really impressed compared to last year's January release for the One UI 1.0 version. This time Samsung is really on time. We're currently in the month of November. This is the time that I predicted for the official launch, so it seems like Samsung is actually bringing the One UI 2.0 based Android 10 version for the S10 and the Note 10 family pretty soon. Guys, I'll be doing a full review of the One UI 2.0 pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's about it for the news. It's nice to see that Samsung's putting some extra effort in bringing some other exciting phones other than the Galaxy S11, of course, and the flagship devices. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.